Hello and welcome to HTCast. I'm your host, Butch Hill, and I'm sitting here with Marc Karon. And Marc, I'd like to talk about right to repair. What's going on in that? What's going on there?
Well, let's broaden this a little bit. Right to repair is an issue that's going to be a continuing issue. We did get the law passed. We did get the memorandum of understanding, but the OEMs make it very difficult for us, very expensive to get the access to information. We spend probably $20,000 in each one of our shops every year just getting the necessary tools. One tool does certain things, another tool does another thing. So the right to repair is difficult. There's a lot of things going on in Congress. There's a lot of, there was a bill that was being looked at this year. Unfortunately, it's a very difficult year for Congress, so the bill kind of got shelved for this year,
Yep.
So it's not coming through. There's also a lot of efforts that are going on in other types of businesses, agricultural businesses. There's a lawsuit now that filed by farmers against John Deere, because John Deere won't make any of their data available. And there's all kinds of activity at the Federal Trade Commission. So we're very involved in making sure that the commercial vehicle industry is well represented on this and taken care of. But what I really want to talk about also is a warranty issue. We've been shortchanged in the commercial vehicle side of the business because the Warranty Protection Acts that were established in 1975, called Magnuson-Moss, were only dealt with consumers, didn't deal with commercial vehicles.
Okay.
So what happens is, if you own a motorhome, you're a single owner of a motorhome, and you go into a store, buy a filter, put it in your Cummins engine, and that Cummins engine breaks, the Cummins dealer cannot deny the warranty unless he can prove that the filter failed. But if he takes the same engine in a commercial truck, puts that same filter on, they can deny the warranty just because you used an aftermarket filter.
I see.
So we're in the process of getting a law introduced in the state of Massachusetts, which, when it's passed, we will go to every state, if necessary, and get that law so that commercial vehicles are added to Magnuson-Moss.
Gotcha. Well, I got to say, I know you've been involved in this for many, many years,
Yes.
and on behalf of, I'll just say the industry, I don't know if enough people tell you how much this means to them and to the industry itself, so appreciate everything you're doing.
Thank you, and it really is a joy to do something. There's a lot of people out there that also do a lot for this industry. Anybody that's out there who wants to help out, just contact me or you, anybody. We've got, states that we need to go to. If you know any senators or Congress or representatives in your state that might be interested in helping in the cause, we'd love to hear about it, and I'll come and visit your state. Just don't make it in the middle of the winter, because I come from Florida. Okay.
All right, he's also a magician. So,
Yes.
Hey, that's another HTCast. We enjoyed it. Thank you,
you.
Marc, everything you do.
Thank you,
And
my friend.
appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next HTCast.